Hi, my name is Grayson, and my goal is to practice at a law firm after graduation doing labor and employment law.
Hi, my name is Cecily, and I came to Cardozo with an interest in working in-house in sports and entertainment, specifically on intellectual property and corporate law matters.
My name is Isaac, and I chose Cardozo because of its strong history and its reputation in the public interest sphere. After graduation, I'm going to work at a public defender's office representing indigent clients who have been accused of abuse or neglect. At Cardozo, you'll find a strong spirit of activism, leadership, ambition, and innovation. These words are on the face of the law school, and they are demonstrated every day here at our building in the heart of New York City. The vibrant energy of the city that never sleeps is just outside our doors, with the best New York has to offer. Cardozo has deep connections to New York's corporations, financial, entertainment, media, and tech businesses, law firms, courts, government agencies, and public interest organizations. Our location on 5th Avenue between Union Square and Washington Square Park is the perfect place to hone skills to build a legal career, and you'll be studying in Greenwich Village, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Manhattan. Whether you end up practicing around the corner or across the globe, you'll gain critical perspectives that prepare you for success.
I chose Cardozo because during my initial tour, I enjoyed the welcoming and kind nature of the students and faculty members that I met. Some law schools give a really competitive or cutthroat vibe, but I didn't get that at all when speaking to the students. Everyone here has been so supportive and delightful, and you can't really compare being in the middle of New York City. Inside the main lobby, you'll discover a nurturing community and a comfortable social atmosphere. The Jacob Burns Moot Court Room is a central hub for events at the law school. Here, students have heard from presidents of the United States, Supreme Court justices, top industry lawyers, and business experts. Students also develop their litigation skills here in our intensive trial advocacy program.
I liked going to Cardozo first because of the student body. I think everyone here has been really nice, friendly, and eager to help one another, which has been fantastic. I've been able to explore interests across a wide variety of practice areas, and that's allowed me to cultivate a really well-rounded law school experience. Cardozo offers one of the most robust client-oriented legal programs in the country. Over 400 students each year participate in direct client work. Legal clinics are mostly housed on the 11th floor. Students represent clients, draft legal briefs, negotiate contracts, mediate settlements, and prepare for court proceedings. Students can also participate in over a dozen field clinics and numerous externships at nonprofit and government law offices throughout New York. Public service is in our DNA. Cardozo is the birthplace of the Innocence Project. For 30 years, Cardozo students have been using DNA testing to have wrongful convictions overturned. Cardozo's library, overlooking 5th Avenue, provides study nooks and conference rooms for student groups to meet, occupying 3 floors with a welcoming staff devoted to providing legal research and scholarly support to the community. During your time at Cardozo, you will take advantage of the many services and resources our library offers.
Faculty offices are generally on the 5th and 9th floor. Cardozo professors are readily available, helpful, and supportive. Professors meet with students in groups and individually. Faculty advisors engage with student journals and trial competition teams, speaker events, and much more. The offices of Student Finance and Student Services are housed on the 10th floor, along with the Office of Diversity and Inclusion, the Dean's Office, and the Office of Student Support.
The Dean's Conference Room is frequently used for student events and guest speakers from every legal field. It's an intimate and elegant space that allows for great socializing and networking. The Office of Career Services on the 11th floor helps students plan their careers starting in their 1L year. Private one-on-one counseling sessions with experienced legal counselors match students' interests and skills with jobs in all fields. Students meet with employers from the largest law firms to corporate law offices, to public sector law offices, and from tech startups to major media and entertainment businesses.
Supreme Court Justice Benjamin Cardozo knew that the legal world doesn't stand still. That's why we encourage lawyers to be innovators. Because the legal field is ever evolving, Cardozo nurtures a community ready for creative, diverse, and entrepreneurial leadership.